Hello students, today we are going to learn about the affirmative and the negative sentence. Okay, so now first of all just know about the affirmative sentence. So what is affirmative sentence? Actually affirmative sentences are the positive one, okay, that shows that the work has been done, okay, means anything in a positive manner, or in other words we can also say that the affirmative sentences, it shows that what the subject is, what it has, or what it does. Okay, affirmative sentences, it shows that what the subject is, subject क्या है, what it does, क्या किया है, what it has, उसके पास क्या है. So in all sense we can say that it shows the positive impact. Okay, and on the other side this negative sentence, negative means this negative, it is used to deny something. Okay, it is used to deny something, and these kind of sentences, they contain the words like do not, did not, or not in them. Okay, as you can see here in the example, I have done my work, I have done my work. So which kind of sentence it is? This is affirmative. Have a look here, this is affirmative sentence. Okay, and negative, when we have to make this negative, so I have done my work means I have not done my work, or I haven't done my work. Sometime in negative sentences we use these contractions also. Okay, means in at the place of have not we have written here that is haven't. So this is the contraction of have not. Okay, see the second one, I have a pet cat, I do not have a pet cat, or I have no pet cat also. It was a sunny day. Negative, what's going to be here? It was not a sunny day. So students, what is affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentences are the positive sentences that shows that what the subject is, what it has, or what it does. Okay, and the negative sentence on the other hand, it is used to deny something. Okay, and these kind of sentences always they are going to carry the words like not, as you can see here, have not, do not, isn't? Can you see here? Was not, isn't? So all these are the negative sentences. This one, did not. Okay, so now let's take one question here. Actually in this in the first chapter, the first exercise we have completed here, isn't? Read the sentences given below and write the kind of sentences. We have completed, I think. Okay, but then also I'll send you the PDF of this one. Now the second type of exercise, that was about the circle the subject and predicate. So now once again, so now change the following affirmative sentences into negative sentences. Okay, here some of the sentences are written and these sentences are in the affirmative one, and these you have to change into the negative form. So now let's take the first one. Amrish donated some money to the flood victims relief fund. So Amrish donated, here Amrish is doing the activity, as it means he is donating the money. So when you have to change this into the negative one, so what's going to be here? Amrish did not donate money to the flood victim relief fund. Why I have used here did not? Because you can see here it is donated, isn't? Donated means this is the second form of verb, and already I have told you that second form of verb we use only in the simple past tense. Okay, the second form we use in the simple past tense. This is second form of the verb. Okay, and when we are changing this sentence into the negative one, or then this verb from the second form, it is going to convert into the first form. Okay, we use second form of verb in the simple past only when your sentence is going to be the affirmative. Okay, when we are changing this affirmative sentence into negative, this verb will also change into the first form. Okay, so did not donate money to the flood victims relief fund. Pooja works for a local newspaper. So what's going to be a Pooja does not work for a local newspaper. Dinesh is angry with Rohan. So what's going to be here? Dinesh is not angry with Rohan. Dinesh is angry. So what's going to be here? Dinesh is not angry with Rohan. Okay. Mohan will be back tomorrow. Mohan will not be back tomorrow. I came in through the back door. I did not come in through the back door. Okay. Now in the second sentence, rewrite the following sentences in their affirmative form. Here you have to do the opposite one. Means these sentences are written in a negative and you have to change this sentence into the positive one. So they should not have waited for us. Should not. What's going to be here? They should have waited for us. Second, she does not eat meat. So she eats meat. Okay, she eats meat. Present tense here. The workman did not cover up the manhole. The workman covered up the manhole. The workman covered up the manhole. Here did not is written, means the sentence belongs to simple past. So when we are removing this, we are changing from negative to affirmative. This did not will remove, and this verb we have to add here ed. Okay, because we are changing into the affirmative. So second form of verb is going to be used here. My brother and I don't agree on many things. My brother and I agree on many things. It won't rain today. It will rain today. Okay. So this was all about the affirmative and the negative sentence. Once again, I am telling this exercise also. Go and shut the door. Read the sentences given below and write the kind of sentences. Okay. Here some sentences are given and you have to identify that these sentences belongs to which kind. So go and shut the door. Which kind of sentence it is? It is a. Here order has been given, isn't? And when we give the orders, it is going to come under the imperative sentence. Have you applied for the Dance India dance competition? Question mark is here. So which kind of sentence it is? This is interrogative sentence.